is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to force restart your 10th generation iPad. So this is very easy to do. All you have to do is look at the different buttons on the side and press them in this order. So this is going to be the volume up, volume down, and then hold down the power button on the top. So just press it down in those combinations. It's got to be kind of quick. So volume up, volume down, hold down the power button on the top. And you should see slide to power up in the top. And then when the screen goes dark, we can let go. And then the iPad should restart. If it doesn't, just hold down and press the power button on the top. So let's press this, and we should see the Apple logo pop open. And that's an indication that it is restarting. If it doesn't, we can just try pressing this a few times. And there it goes. So if it was frozen for whatever reason, just press it down in those combinations and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.